Good morning or afternoon, scholars. This is Miss E coming back to you with another writing assignment. This week, we're going to write a personal narrative. Now, if you remember from last week, what we did was I read a story and then you wrote the ending. Well, this time you're going to write your whole story. You're going to choose a topic that you care about and that you know a lot of details about. It could be something like a good or not so good thing that happened to you, a place that you went that you really enjoyed, a surprise you received, a really good dinner you had, something you want to do in the future. You have a whole story, so anything that you think about that's your personal story, you can write about. And then you start brainstorming your ideas. And when you're brainstorming your ideas, you want to write them down so you remember. Okay? So after you brainstorm your ideas, it's time to start writing them down. So you get your graphic organizer. You can get one off the web. I use this one, which is a flower. And it says, my new car. Okay? And you can draw your own. So all you have to do is get out a sheet of paper and draw 3 boxes in it, big enough to write in. And you're going to write beginning in one box, you're going to write middle in the next box, and you're going to write end in the last box. After you've done that, now it's time to start your pre-writing and your planning. Ooh, I know you're thinking already, so go ahead and write how the story begins in your beginning box. Sequence the events of your story using transition words like first, then, finally, last, second. These are just a few, so I know you know a whole lot more. Okay, that's it for now, scholars. But in our next lesson, we're going to talk about how to write a hook, so your readers will want to continue reading your story. So, in the meantime, get out your graphic organizer, start jotting down that information, and hold on to it, because we're gonna need it next time. So until then, take care.